juicy, tender, savory steak. With so many different delicious cuts, we can't believe it comes from the same animal.
Beef is what's for dinner.
There's no one single particular steak that fits all. But what does your preferred cut of choice say about you?
Mr. Steak, you're my only friend.
In 2016, Omaha Steaks conducted a survey amongst their customers and found a direct correlation between individual steak preferences and common personality traits. Here are their findings. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Well, I am just a T-bone kind of guy. Love that T-bone!
The T-bone steak contains both the beefy taste of a New York strip and the tender flavor of the tenderloin. If you can't make your choice between the two, the T-bone gives you best of both worlds.
God, that is a great looking T-bone.
The bone insulates the meat while cooking and allows the steak to retain moisture and juiciness. T-bone fans have strong convictions and prefer the outdoors and wilderness, all while possessing a somewhat sensitive side.
I mean, how are you supposed to eat this?
Hey, what's up?
The ribeye, one of the most flavorful cuts due to its luscious marbling. The high fat content makes it incredibly rich and juicy. It's hard to go wrong with this choice, and it's no mystery why it's a fan favorite. Lovers of this popular cut are even-tempered, strive for balance in life, and have laid-back attitudes with a bit of a maverick spirit.
I'd like a petite filet mignon, very lean. Not so lean that it lacks flavor, but not so fat that it leaves drippings.
Filet Mignon, typically the most expensive cut of the cow. Deriving from the tenderloin, this muscle hardly does any work, resulting in a soft, buttery texture. However, this piece is nearly devoid of any fat, resulting in a leaner, milder beef flavor. According to Omaha's research, the type of people that pick the filet are typically mild-mannered, tender-hearted, meticulous, and enjoy simple elegance.
Steak stud, steak stud, steak stud, steak stud.
The New York strip. Cut from the shorter side of the beef loin, this part is not a working muscle, which makes it tender while still retaining some chewiness. This top seller has a decent amount of marbling that creates a desirably strong beef flavor. Like a New York Knicks fan, the New York strip lover is passionate and somewhat indulgent, with strong personalities and take-charge attitudes.
Come on, man, let's go get a steak.
You can get a steak here, Daddy-O.
Top sirloins. This very lean, thick cut of meat has a bold, beefy flavor. The sirloin gets a lot of exercise. Therefore, this area has a firmer texture and contains less marbling than the tenderloin. This high usage keeps top sirloin lean and high in protein while retaining robust flavor. It's an excellent source for people who want to watch their fat intake while eating adequate protein. Top sirloins are mainstream with a down-to-earth philosophy on life and a what you see is what you get attitude. With these findings, the jury's still out there. Do your taste buds really match up with your personality? Let us know in the comments below if you think the research aligns with any common character traits. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.